Your Hisense TV won't connect to Wi-Fi and your remote's missing? Don't worry, you don't need to buy a new one or call support. I'll show you a few clever ways to get your TV back online in minutes. No remote, no stress. Every step in this video is safe to try and works on most Hisense models, whether it's Roku, Android, or Smart TV. Let's start with the easiest fix. Using an Ethernet cable. Take one end of the cable and plug it into the Ethernet port on the back of your Hisense TV, and the other end into your Wi-Fi router. Give it a few seconds, and your TV should connect automatically. You don't need to open settings or press anything. This is the fastest and most reliable way to get your TV online, and it works immediately even without a remote. If your router isn't close enough or you don't have a cable handy, here's another simple method. Grab a USB keyboard and plug it into one of the TV's USB ports. Wait a few seconds. Most Hisense TVs will recognize it automatically. Now try using the arrow keys on the keyboard to move around the menu. If it works, head into Settings, find the Network or Wi-Fi section, and type in your Wi-Fi name and password. This trick works surprisingly well and is perfect when you can't use the remote. Okay, this next trick is a smart one, and it only works if your TV was connected to Wi-Fi before. On your phone, turn on your mobile hotspot and rename it exactly the same as your old Wi-Fi network. Same name, same password. When you turn your TV on, it'll think it's connecting to the old network and automatically link to your phone's hotspot. It's a neat little workaround that helps you get your TV online instantly. Now that your TV is connected, you can turn your phone into a remote. Just download the official Hisense Remote Now app or the Roku app, depending on your TV model. Open the app, make sure your phone is on the same network as your TV, and it should automatically detect your device. Once connected, you can use your phone to control everything: volume, input, and even navigate settings to connect to a new Wi-Fi network. And while you're at it, go into the TV's settings and check for a firmware update. This often fixes Wi-Fi issues permanently, so it's worth doing once you're back online. If your phone has an IR blaster, you can use it like a regular remote. Just download a universal remote app from the Play Store, open it, and point your phone at the TV. If your Hisense TV supports infrared control, it'll respond immediately, letting you access menus and connect to Wi-Fi just like with a normal remote. If the hotspot trick didn't work the first time, try power cycling your TV. Unplug it completely from the wall outlet and leave it unplugged for about 30 minutes. While it's off, keep your phone's hotspot turned on with the same Wi-Fi name and password. After half an hour, plug the TV back in and turn it on. This refreshes the system and helps the TV reconnect to the hotspot automatically. And don't worry if your menu looks slightly different from mine. Hisense models vary a little between Android, Roku, and Vita OS. Just look for options labeled Network or Wi-Fi, and the steps will be nearly identical. I really hope one of these tricks got your Hisense TV connected again. If it did, let me know in the comments which method worked for you. It might help someone else too. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. It tells YouTube this video helped you, and it helps others find it too. And if you want more quick, no-nonsense tech fixes like this, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.